As we know, humans have limitations when it comes to performing heavy tasks. Therefore, to support the utilization of natural resources, and in the field of construction development, heavy machinery is essential. This heavy equipment enables humans to undertake large-scale tasks. The goal, of course, is to make processes more time-efficient, energy-efficient, and cost-effective. However, some people may not be familiar with the forms of heavy machinery that have been developed, or they might even find them strange. One such piece of machinery is the T1255 terrain leveler SIM, which might be considered one of the strangest pieces of heavy equipment you've ever seen. This particular machine, the T1255 terrain leveler SIM, features iron wheels and a uniquely designed digging tool at the front. Despite its somewhat unusual design, this heavy machinery is quite useful in operation. Vermeer, the company that manufactures this equipment, designed it to handle challenging civil and surface mining projects. Its ability to cut walls as steep as 80 degrees and produce less noise, dust, and vibration makes it highly valued among mine owners. But that's not all. Vermeer also promises that using this piece of equipment will help mines increase production by accessing reserves that might not be reachable due to drilling restrictions, blasting, and air quality regulations. Therefore, the presence of this heavy machinery is undoubtedly the best solution for mine owners. Moreover, with the drilling capability of its tool, which can rotate at a speed of 24.7 revolutions per minute, the drilling results of this machine are also impressively fast. However, if the existing heavy machinery isn't sufficient, perhaps the Tesmec M5 mechanical trencher might be the answer. This piece of equipment also falls under the category of drilling machinery, and it has a somewhat unusual design that might appear odd to some. This construction equipment features an exceptionally long digging apparatus at its front. Despite its unusual design, this machine is incredibly vital for construction work. This is because the heavy machinery can create trenches in a short amount of time without requiring substantial physical effort. This capability stems from its impressive cutting edge. The Tesmec M5, not to be underestimated, is reputed to be able to create trenches as deep as 183 to 610 centimeters and widths ranging from 40 to 107 centimeters. With such capabilities, it's no wonder that this tool is favored by construction industry professionals. Its abilities are supported by a substantial power output of 440 horsepower. The goal is for the Tesmec M5 to be capable of trenching in conditions involving extremely abrasive and harsh rocks. Thanks to its capabilities, the Tesmec M5 is also suitable for constructing pipeline networks, installing underground electrical conduits, and digging channels. In contrast, the Vermeer T655-3 Rockwell is tasked with cutting through hard soil. This heavy equipment features a digging blade that is both thin and sharp. This design allows it to cut through soil and various types of rocks during operation. With its ability to operate in tough soil conditions, it proves to be indispensable in the fields of construction and mining. Additionally, it is reported that this machine, produced by the Vermeer company, includes several advanced features, such as electronic grade control and a digital display. However, despite its remarkable capabilities and benefits, it's not uncommon for some to find this heavy equipment to have a somewhat odd design. Once again, the peculiar aspect noted is its cutting blade, which resembles a large-sized angle grinder. When it comes to heavy machinery, like the bucket wheel excavator, some might find it less unusual than others. Given its immense size and large digging wheel, this piece of equipment is often perceived as rather intimidating by many. Or perhaps, do some of you still find its design to be somewhat odd? Whether it's deemed eerie or strange, this tool plays a significant role in the global mining industry. The bucket wheel excavator is a major piece of equipment used in surface mining. Its primary function is to act as a continuous digging machine in large-scale open-pit mining operations, shifting thousands of tons of natural resources daily. Due to its massive scale, this excavator is also extraordinarily large, making it quite hefty. Just imagine, due to its immense size, it weighs as much as 14,200 tons. With such a weight, the bucket wheel excavator holds the Guinness World Record for the heaviest land vehicle ever made. Even when compared to the Gens SF Hackerhem DQ Cobra Plus hybrid from Germany, the bucket wheel excavator is several times larger. However, this heavy machine has a quite unique design, or some might say it looks odd because it combines two functions in one device. This feature is what makes it appear strange, but it is precisely because of its unusual form that this machine is sought after by many entrepreneurs. As mentioned earlier, this machine serves two functions simultaneously. The first function is in its mechanical arm, capable of lifting and cutting wood of various sizes. Once cut, the wood is then fed into a grinding machine to be quickly converted into biomass. This capability undoubtedly provides significant assistance to forestry industry operators with this heavy equipment. Moreover, the design of this machinery still prioritizes the safety of workers during operation. It is proven by the safety features claimed to automatically shut down the machine in case of emergencies, enhancing worker safety during use. Discussing the heavy equipment known as the CAT 637D motor scraper, it diverges as it is utilized in the construction sector specifically for moving construction materials. But the question arises, what makes this piece of equipment so sought after by construction operators if its only function is to transport materials? Are regular trucks not sufficient in transferring materials from one place to another? It can be said that conventional trucks are also quite adept at transporting construction materials. In terms of capacity, trucks might still surpass the motor scraper. However, what trucks lack is the ability to navigate through challenging terrains. The CAT 637D motor scraper is capable of operating across various terrains, including wet, muddy, and even dusty dry conditions. More than that, a feature not found in regular trucks is the ability to autonomously transport construction materials without the need for additional equipment. This capability undoubtedly offers convenience and also reduces operational costs. This is also reflected in the heavy equipment known as the Eagle 4500 wheel trenchers. This machine functions as a trench digger for underground cable installations, drainage systems, and other construction needs. Its most praised feature is the ability to dig trenches. Indeed, the wheel trenchers can dig through even the hardest soil in just a moment. The use of this heavy equipment undoubtedly makes construction work lighter and more efficient. Not only that, equipped with a turbocharged aftercooler engine boasting 113 horsepower, it can operate across various terrains, such as wet, muddy, and particularly dry conditions. This capability is not solely due to its turbocharged engine, but also the use of its iron wheels, which allow the wheel trenchers to operate across different terrains and conditions. This is why it is no surprise that it is frequently used in large-scale construction projects.